Can you also elaborate on, I know we mentioned this yesterday, which is, looking at data is less invasive. So would you mind elaborating on that? Maybe
Sure.
Spoon, I'll leave that up to you.
Yeah, sure. Anytime we could keep a closed system closed is going to be beneficial, because anytime you open a system to just do some checks, not really understanding what the outcome might be, you introduce a lot of potential harm to the system. So anytime we could keep it closed and just take analytical data into consideration on whether or not we should open a system that's closed or sealed, or if we should do this invasive procedure or not, that if the data really backs it up, then it makes a ton of sense, because a lot of times we do perform these procedures when they weren't necessarily justifiable.